What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stan of SJ Square Photography, bring you back another video today. Now, today's video is going to be all about this little light that's been sent out to me. Let me go ahead and grab it. Here we go. Sutefoto right here sent me this light out to test out and to bring to y'all guys. This is an LED video light. It is a 100-watt LED light. It's bi-colored, as you can see right here. What's interesting about Sutefoto is this can also be an RBG, fully completed RBG, but they sent me out the bi-color one. So that's pretty interesting too. Wish I should have asked for that one. But this also comes, as you can see right here, with a battery holder. And pretty much these little lights are just kind of what's just in phase right now. Now I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing here. What we're gonna do a little bit later here is I'm gonna take it outside and try it out in low light. But let's just go ahead and unbox this thing right here. It comes with this nice little reflector, pretty nice. Actually, this case is pretty nice too, man. I'm gonna put this up. I actually like this case too. I actually like the case a whole lot better. It's a lot smaller, compact. Let's just go ahead and pull out the light here. This thing's actually a lot smaller too. It's a lot smaller than this as well. And I also like the fact that the battery mount is on both sides, as you can see. I do like that. With the Wii light, it's like a whole entire extra contraption that you have to put in and plug in, but I actually like the fact that this is already connected to the light itself. So that's pretty, I like that already. Little buttons here and there. So this is just pretty much what it is. I'll go ahead and look at it one more time. And what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna go ahead and go out and go use it on location. I'm gonna use it at this location, then I'm also gonna use it at a studio location. So this is what it's about here. All right, guys, now we are here on location. As you see, I have the Sutefoto light with me. Got the batteries on. I'm going to pack it up. We're gonna do this nice little shoot here. Today's model with me today that's going to help me do this is Kaylee Haste. She's going to help us out here and just going to show you what's going on here. I got the Niccceeeee on, so you're going to be able to see through the view panel how this light is going to act. I'm going to use it with a 26 softbox, double diffuse, and with the beauty dish plate in it. So I'm going to use it and just see how this is going to give out. And like I said, it's very cloudy. It's kind of going low around this time. It's kind of getting nighttime, so we're not going to be able to shoot this light because we'll lose light pretty quickly. So Kayla, are you ready to do this?
I am ready.
Okay, and of course, if you want to work with all stuff, it's going to be on the description box below because it would have popped on the screen by now. All right, so she's excited, so let's get right into it.
Do any of us?
Yeah, I really don't know what I'm doing here.
I trusted you.
Sorry about that. I forgot to clear out my Ninja from my last shoot. I didn't upload everything like I thought I did, and I got out here, memory card was full, blah, blah, blah. I can't format it. It is what it is. So you're not gonna be able to see what's going on, but you're gonna be able to see what how the light is producing on hers. I'm gonna put this right here, and y'all be able to see how soft the light is and things of that nature. All right. And as of right now, I think I only have this on 20%. So here we go. I'm shooting 20%. My ISO's at 1,000, 250 shutter speed. I like to say at 250 at a high res, and I'm at 1.8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Nice.
What are you doing with my body? Relax?
Relax it.
Okay.
Relax it. Oh, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Like it. Turn your head slightly towards the light. Not too much, just slightly. Yeah. There you go. You got this. Shoot from the side like this.
Sound like this?
Yeah, but getting light.
Okay.
Take one step back.
Back.
Come over, just step in. Right there.
Okay.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Good job. 1, 2, 3. Love it. Yep. Lock it. Oh, look at that lean back. What? With the lean back? The one thing about continuous lights and actually doing these, using LED lights like this in the evening time is absolutely amazing because you can really control the power, control exactly what you want. It up like that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Like that. 1, 2, 3. Good job.
Beautiful. The lights in the background.
Look at that. What?
Ooh,
Come
what?
on. Oh man, that bus just got in my way. Hey man, let me see. Don't keep going, bus. All right, guys, we got a bus in the way. We gotta see what's going on. Pottery plant behind you.
Is that better?
Yeah. Now let me look. Yeah, okay, that's a little bit better. Yeah. Yep, there we go. Yep. One, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Like it. 1, 2, 3. Love it. 1, 2, 3. Like it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Stay right there like that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, like hold that. No, look back down like you would. Yeah, I love it. I love that look. Stay there. I'm gonna get just a tad bit more of your hair because it's so long.
Oh, nice.
Oh.
I like that.
1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Like it. 1, 2, 3. I like that. 1, 2, 3. Nice. I'll hold that. 1, 2, 3. Nice. What?
What? Love it.
As you can see, guys, once again, I already told you before, LEDs are nice just because you can keep on going, keep on shooting. We are balancing the light right between our ambient and her. So we're getting a nice natural exposure, not doing too much, not doing too less as well. Perfect right in the middle. She's enjoying the photos so far. We're gonna keep it going. I'm gonna go switch my lens. I've been shooting with both the Sony and A7R III. I'm just gonna go ahead and go put the 105 and then I'm gonna put the 35 on. I really haven't shot with my 35 in forever, so I'm gonna put the 35 on. Just gonna take a couple more shots and hope you enjoy. 1, 2, 3. Just turn so slightly. Yeah, bam, not too much. Turn again so slightly, about right there. Yeah, yep. I like this. Oh, I found my sweet spot. I found a sweet spot. Come on, take a chill. Stay there. Like it, like the little smirk. Perfect. Now you made it in the video. I really hope you enjoyed the work that Kaylee and I just put in for you. Now, that was a pretty good work there. Like I said, guys, this is Sutefoto. As you can see, it is lighting us right now. Just want to kind of give you an idea of how it does. This is now completely light. We do got some nice little powerful light right behind us, as you can see, but this is lighting us. I cut it off real quick so you can see with not lighting her. There it is with her, and I just cut it off. I'll come back in the scene. You know, we're still getting relatively good light, but we cut it back on. I think it's on 50% right now. And as you can see, we're getting nice light and exposure. So it absolutely works pretty well. The next time you're gonna see me do this, I'm gonna use it in the studio next so you can see how it works out in the studio. The power, it lasts pretty daggone long. Like I said, I do got the bigger NP Sony batteries on it right now, and I don't even think it's at 0.5%. And we've been shooting out here for almost, I don't know, probably about an hour and a half, probably about 90 minutes or so. We've already been using this, and it's been going on. I didn't even cut it off, it's been going on nonstop. So it absolutely works pretty well. So Kayla, how do you enjoy shooting?
It was a lot of fun.
She enjoyed
You
it.
made my confidence come out.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yes, it was a lot of fun. Of course, y'all seen the photos. I really hope y'all enjoyed those photos. And of course, if you want to work with all stuff, it's going to be down in the description box below. Of course, it would have popped on the screen by now. Do you have anything else you want to say?
I think I'm good. You covered it all.
Okay, she is good. Then, of course, guys, like I said, if you want to buy this like, this link going to be down in the description below as well. Like, if you like my content, please consider yourself subscribing to my channel. Hit the like button, hit the comments, tell me what you think about the light and this whole photos that came out there. Until next video.
Yeah.
Next video, peace.
Bye.
Kid is upset, ain't he? Yeah, really, he is really upset. He did not want to leave. He did not want to leave
that bookstore.
The bookstore, and he is pissed that he had to leave the bookstore right now. Like really mad that he had to leave the bookstore.
Can't even read.
Yeah, he's really mad at to leave the bookstore right about now. You probably were like, what am I getting myself into? He don't even know what he's doing. I really don't know what I'm doing.